Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Capcut PC or Mac, it doesn't matter. So basically, first of all, we need to open Capcut, and here we need to click on the import and import the video that we want to edit and change aspect ratio. So basically, as we imported the video, we need to paste it to the timeline like this, and here we have our video. So to change the aspect ratio of this video, we need to simply click on the ratio button right here, and we have several options here. We can go with the default 16:9. We can go with the different ratios here, 4:3, and of course it is better for you to expand the video so it will fill in the blank spaces. And you can also go with the custom ratio. So if you click on the custom one, you can change the size of the video by yourself. So for example, I want to go with the 300 to 700, something like that. I can change the frame rate, everything. It depends on your wishes, and then click on the save button, and basically, as you can see, I have my custom ratio here. And basically that is it. That is how you can change Capcut aspect ratio. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.